What's the meaning of bag? Bag. Bag.
Bag. Bag. The word bag has multiple meanings depending on the context. Generally, a bag is a container made of cloth, leather, or other materials that is used to hold, carry, or store various things such as personal belongings, documents, groceries, and more. Bags come in different shapes, sizes, and designs depending on their intended use, from small clutch purses to large suitcases. In some contexts, bag can also refer to an amount of something, such as a bag of potatoes or a bag of money. The versatility of bags has made them an essential part of our daily lives, helping us to transport and organize our possessions.